Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the assignments of Unit 5. Unit 5, that is the 100 dresses part 1. Okay, I'm sharing the screen with you. You all can take the screenshots. We completed the chapter few days back. Okay, now let's discuss all the answers. Where in the classroom does Wanda sit and why? Wanda Petronsky used to sit on the cornermost benches, lost in a world where rough boys usually sat. She was a very poor, shy, and quiet girl, and she did not want to mess with others, so she preferred to sit in isolation. Where does Wanda live? What kind of a place do you think it is? Wanda lived in Goggins Heights, where poor people live. It is not a developed area and is covered with mud. There are no proper roads or streets, and it is a kind of a slum area. When and why do Peggy and Maddie notice Wanda's absence? Wanda did not come to school on Monday and Tuesday, but nobody noticed her absence as she did not have friends in the class. When when Peggy and Maddie waited for Wanda to make fun of her after the school was off, they noticed that she was absent. Otherwise, nobody bothered about her there. Question number 4. What do you think to have fun with a means? To have fun with a meant to laugh at her, as it is a human tendency to make fun of others' imperfections, which are mostly about the appearance. Here in the story, Wanda is a source of amusement or pleasure because of her shy nature and her 100 dresses. Here, Dushyant, Vedansh, Purvi, keep your videos on with that. Each one, videos to be kept on. Purvi. The next question. In what way was Wanda different from the other children? Wanda Petronsky was a Polish girl whose parents had settled down in America. She was a source of fun because of her last name, which made her different from others, because Americans did not have such names and it was difficult to pronounce. She came to school alone and her feet were covered with mud. She preferred to sit alone in the class. She had only one blue dress which was faded, but she claimed of having 100 dresses. All these qualities make her different from other children. Okay. Did Wanda have 100 dresses? And why do you think she said so? Wanda was teased every day by her classmates after school hours. They used to make fun of her dress and her name. One day, tired of all the teasing and taunting, she claimed of having 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes. But nobody believed her. She was a determined girl and had a great amount of self-confidence. For a number of dresses were not important, but the inner talent which had the real value was more important to her. Why is Maddie embarrassed by the questions Peggy asks Wanda? Is she also like Wanda or she is different? Maddie is embarrassed by the questions Peggy asks Wanda because she is also poor and she understands the mental condition of Wanda. She also wears dresses handed down by rich family. Though she is an American, but she has the same mindset as Wanda and she doesn't want anyone to tease Wanda because of her dress or her name. Next question. Why didn't Maddie ask Peggy to stop teasing Wanda, what was she afraid of? Maddie did not ask Peggy to stop teasing Wanda because Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was a nice girl, but when it came to Wanda, she behaved differently. Otherwise, she helped everyone in trouble. Though she wants Peggy to stop teasing Wanda, she did not ask her to do so as she was afraid of being the next target of all those taunts and teasings. Okay. Question 9. Who did Maddie think would win the drawing contest? Maddie always believed that Peggy would win the drawing contest as she was good in drawing and everybody in the school loved her. She had a good image and impression on her teachers and classmates. No other girl in the class could draw as well as she did. So Peggy definitely had very good chances of winning the drawing contest according to Maddie. Last one. Last means the ones which are within the chapter. I think this is the last. Who won the drawing contest? What had the winner drawn? Among the boys, Jack Beggles, and among the girls, Wanda Petronsky won the drawing contest. To show her determination, she did not attend the school for 2 days. She had drawn 100 sketches of dresses of different colors. Each of them was capable to win the contest individually. Means each drawing was worthy of winning that contest. Wanda had drawn all the dresses which she had claimed to have had in the class. Everybody was very impressed with her drawing skill and clapped for her. Next question. How is Wanda seen as different by the other girls and how do they treat her? Here onwards begins the detailed ones. Wanda is a polished girl who has settled in America with her parents. She lived in Boggins Heights, where mostly poor immigrants lived. She is seen as different by all the other girls in many ways. First of all, she had no friends. She came to school and went home all alone. She came to school in the same faded blue dress every day. The dress which was not even ironed properly and with her feet always covered with mud. Her last name was quite funny and difficult to pronounce for her classmates. Moreover, she was the only girl who used to sit with the rough boys in the last row. Her appearance, full of imperfections, made her an object of mockery by all the other girls. Okay? Now the next detailed question. How does Wanda feel about the dresses game? Why does she say that she has 100 dresses? Wanda felt very embarrassed but remained silent in the class. She did not talk to anyone and sat on the back benches or back bench with rough boys so that nobody could give attention to her. She used to claim that all of the 100 dresses were lined up in her closet. In reality, she was a poor girl, usually seen in a faded blue dress, which was not even ironed properly. She was deeply hurt about the dress game, but she never complained about it. It was beyond her means to buy any one of those 100 dresses. It was just a false claim she made to avoid the taunting remarks and humiliations of her classmates. Wanda told them that she had 100 dresses and 60 pairs of matching shoes in her closet. Later on, she draws all of them on paper for the drawing competition. The reality was that she had designed and not owned those 100 dresses, all different, And all beautiful. This word is and. Okay, kindly correct it. Question number 13. Why does Maddie stand by and doesn't do anything? How is she different from Peggy? Or Peggy's friendship was important to Maddie and why? Okay, let's discuss this answer. Maddie didn't think the way Peggy thought. She rather felt embarrassed when Peggy made fun of Wanda. She realized how uncomfortable Wanda would have felt at all those questions. But she was helpless, only stood by and did nothing. The reason was obvious. Peggy was the most popular girl in the class and her closest friend too. Though Maddie was also poor, Peggy never teased her as she did with Wanda, so Maddie was afraid of losing her friendship. So she did not risk to annoy Peggy and preferred to remain a silent one, or we can also call preferred to remain a mute spectator. Moreover, she handed down her own clothes to Maddie. Maddie didn't want to lose such a friend and a benefactor. She even hesitated to raise a voice as she felt that if she did, she could become the next target of all those girls' mockery. The line, Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room, Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, illustrates this fact. Okay. Now, the last one, the 14th question. What does Miss Mason think of Wanda's drawings? What do the children think of them? How do you know about it? Miss Mason was highly impressed with Wanda's drawings. Wanda had submitted 100 drawings of dresses, each of them being different and beautiful. Miss Mason considered each one of them worthy of winning. The children were highly surprised when Wanda's exceptional skill of drawing and coloring was revealed to them. The boys found a chance to have fun and whistled, whereas all the girls applauded for her talent. Okay, so these were the question answers of Unit 5, 100 Dresses Part 1. You shall do all these questions in your notebook. Fine? Okay, beta.